Guys, it is time for another Bitcoin update video because Bitcoin is right now forming an amazing new chart pattern on the smaller time frames which already broke out to the upside. Also today I want to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance because we are still seeing a very interesting development there that I already predicted a couple of weeks ago. So if you don't want to miss out on any of this important information, because I will also tell you what I will do with my trades. I'm in around $4 million worth of Bitcoin long positions right now. Only my trades on Femex and Binance are already, and those are only half of my positions that I have open right now, are already with over $500,000 in a profit. So guys, if you don't want to miss out what I'm going to do with those trades, when am I going to take profits, am I going to close the trade soon because I expect a big correction, all of this in today's video. And as always guys, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like. Let's reach 3,000 likes like we do on every single video, and for sure make sure to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, leave a comment down below and share the video with your friends. This supports me the most. Thank you very much guys for all your support. Thank you for keeping this amazing momentum going on this channel. We are growing with multiple hundreds of subscribers each day. The likes are amazing that you're smashing on the videos each and every single time. So thank you very much guys for that. But let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. So first of all, nothing has changed dramatically since my last video. We have to be very honest here. We are still in this VPVR resistance area, right? This horizontal VPVR resistance area. We still have to push through that, and we are only really above this resistance area as soon as we break the $60,000 level. But we have seen a breakout yesterday evening actually, which could be very helpful to reach this goal. And I'm talking about this symmetrical or ascending triangle that broke to the upside within the last 12 hours. As you guys remember, I already expected the Bitcoin price to go higher in my last video. We had this W pattern here I showed you in my last video. Sadly, this one got rejected. We saw a rejection, but as soon as I saw this bounce exactly at this upward sloping support, I already guessed that probably this will turn into a symmetrical or an ascending triangle, because almost every symmetrical triangle starts with a W or M pattern for sure. So that's why we already were able to predict that this will turn into a symmetrical triangle or ascending triangle. And we saw a little fake out. We even saw two little fake outs to the upside. So the bulls really showed strength, but the bears still were in the market. They were not completely gone yet. So we saw another correction, but after the bulls managed to bounce and the bears didn't manage to break below this support line, we saw this massive breakout that we have seen within the last couple of hours. So the only thing is we also already reached the price target of this ascending or symmetrical triangle. This price target was already reached. So now the Bitcoin bulls again don't have any price target in a kind of way, any bullish price target besides the big cup and handle pattern that I showed you a couple of days ago. This $75,000, $74,000 price target is for sure still in play. The only thing that I'm a little bit worried about, or it's nothing really bad, it won't change the overall narrative for the next few months for Bitcoin, but I think it's very possible that if we don't manage to push this weekly candle a lot higher, in the best case to the 60,000, even above the $60,000 level within the next 6 days. This weekly candle just started today. I'm pretty sure that the bears will use that chance and we will see a rejection here within our VPVR horizontal support and resistance, and the bears will then use this chance to push the price a little bit down. But I think this will then, in the worst case scenario, will just result in us retesting this massive symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. So we would just see a weekly candle, the next one, so not this one but the next one, just to correct down to around the $50,000 level, and then we will probably just continue the run up to a new all-time high like nothing has happened. But like I said, this is even, in my opinion, the lowest chance that we will see a retest, because Bitcoin is immensely bullish right now, and the possibilities of us just continuing here on the daily chart to the upside without ever retesting this symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame is very, very realistic as well. Even though we have to say in the past, this big symmetrical triangles on the weekly time frame always normally got another retest. I mean, even here you can see that it was just a small correction to the downside, but we never really tested this symmetrical triangle again. So we cannot expect this to happen here as well. So guys, don't close your longs or anything like that right now. I won't do this as well. I will only take some profits to be honest, if Bitcoin breaks below our symmetrical triangle, so if we break below the the $55,000 level, I will take some profits. As I mentioned in my last video, if we break below the $52,000 level, I will take some profits. And at the $50,000 level, I'm expecting I will expect latest the dump at the $50,000 level, and I will even scale up my trades there because I took profits before. I scaled down my longs, I took profits, and then when I see a successful bounce, I will scale them back up again, so I have the same size of positions, but then I already took profits and I'm not exposed to a big risk if the bears somehow manage to break the $50,000 level to the downside. But I'm really not expecting that to happen at all. So just keep an eye, guys, on this weekly time frame now. To be honest, we just have to keep an eye on what the daily candle is going to, the next daily candles are going to do. If we stay inside of this VPVR resistance till the end of this week, the weekly candle wouldn't have a very bullish close, the current one, so then I have to expect that the next one will be a little bit bearish. But still, let's just wait till the end of this week. Let's just keep an eye on the Bitcoin price for the following days. I will update you in my videos for sure, so you won't miss out on any breakout scenario, and you for sure won't miss out if Bitcoin just creates another bullish chart pattern, a continuation pattern, and breaks to $60,000. I will for sure let you guys know. And also the Bitcoin dominance I wanted to talk about. By the way, greetings to Chris from Crypto here in the background. We are about to head for some very amazing food. You all know him probably. Yeah, big shout out to Chris from Crypto. I still am looking out for this massive W pattern that is actually forming on the weekly time frames for the Bitcoin dominance right now. Because to be honest, I mean, the bull market last time in 2018 ended exactly with a massive W pattern on the Bitcoin dominance. So I have really hoped that Bitcoin will get rejected at the 46% or at least at the 47%, 48% level. And if we see a rejection there on the weekly time frame, I think it's really time to scale up my positions in altcoins, because the Bitcoin dominance will then have a massive rejection and could reach new all-time lows, to be honest, because there's amazing altcoin projects also coming out each and every single day, to be honest. Other than that, guys, I don't really have anything left to show you. Just keep an eye on those price levels I mentioned in today's video, and for sure also keep an eye on the Bitcoin dominance so you don't get wrecked, for example, if the Bitcoin dominance just destroys all those resistances and altcoins maybe don't perform as well against Bitcoin as they sometimes do. You don't want to be exposed only with altcoins, for example. You maybe want to shift back into Bitcoin a little bit, and also the other way around. If we get rejected, for sure you want to shift a little bit of your Bitcoin into your altcoin portfolio. I will let you know for sure which altcoins I'm choosing at the rejection. For the case that there's a rejection, I will let you know which altcoins I'm going to choose to invest in. Other than that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash up a like. Let's reach 3,000 likes like on every single video. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And also, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a comment down below, share the video with your friends with the YouTube share function. This supports me the most. And then I will see you in the next one, maybe even tonight if the Bitcoin price does something crazy, and otherwise tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.